Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will discuss about Splunk transforming commands. What are the transforming commands, and in the end we will cover the demo about using the rear command. So transforming commands are the commands which are required to transform your search data results for the statistical purposes into the data table, and these transforming commands are required to generate a visualization like pie chart, bar chart, a line chart, etc. And when we use these transforming commands into our searches, that searches are also called the transforming searches, and here are some primary transforming commands. So rear, top, stats, chart, and time chart. And in this video we will cover about the rear transforming command. So one point to be noted, when we write the transforming commands, that commands should be used after your basic search command, and it should be linked with your pipe operator. So let's move to the rear command. So here is the syntax. You can see there are three arguments, and out of it two are the optional arguments. So when we use a by clause as optional argument in your with your rear command, so we can group the result with that specified field. And the field list is either you can use a single field with the rear command, or list of fields with the comma separated. And there are top options where we can have the count, limit, and other options that can be used with the rear command. So what it returns, so when we use rear command in our searches, it actually gives you the list common or list frequent values of that specified field. And it can be a single field or comma delimited list of field. As I said, we can specify as a input to this rear command. And with the limit argument, we can limit the result of this rear command. For example, the default value, when we use the rear command with some options, so it will default, it will show the 10 values as a result of your search. But we can use the limit argument to control this search results. And when we have something to do in the from the backend, so there is a limits.config file that we have to use. So just keep in one thing in mind when using this limits.config. So we never modify the limits.config from the default location. So it always it should be intact there, and we have to modify the limits.config from our local folder. So let's move to the demo. I'm in my Splunk application, and I have already added the sales data to my Splunk app, and we will use that data only. So if you don't know how to add the data, so I have already created a video on that. You can find the link in the description below. So we'll write very basic search on this data. So I would like to have the data in the tabular format to use the rear command. So you can see there are almost 5000 events we can see in this data. So what I would like to know, I would like to know that the list common items which are sold, or list frequent items which are sold. So I'll write the command rear, and the field name is item. You can take it from here, item. Okay, and just apply your search. So as we discussed, that it will return maximum 10 results because we have not specified the custom limit to it. So you can see that there are 10 items which it has returned, the list common items. And also if you notice, there are two new fields it has added, the count and the percent. So when we use the rear command, these two new fields are automatically added. So either we can change its we can rename this field, or we can make it off. So just to make it off, we can use the show percent option and make it false, and also the show count false. So now you will not see that two fields. And also we can specify the limit to our search to, for example, 5, and it will give you only 5 items. So this way we can use the rear command. And also we can group, as I said, we can group by the field. For example, if I want to identify the items, and I want to group by some other field like country, etc. so we can give that. So I'll just use the rare item by country. So we can get the list of items by the countries. So this way we can use the rare command. So if you found this video useful, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.